You know, I came here to basically with you and basically show y'all that, you know, it's deeper than what it seems like, you know? And we're here, you know, to promote what we're trying to push, that unity. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, people are gonna try to twist up what's going on with all these platforms, you know, trying to twist up the scenario. In reality, you know, we trying to push this. We trying to push that peace card, that love card, you know?
Hey, man, like I say, they always wanted us to be separate, bro. And the fact that, I'm gonna tell you this, bro, and I don't care how people take this, there is a God. And things work for a reason. You know what I'm saying? The thing that you did at such a young age, bro, you went over there and had your business like a man. You a man, bro. I seen you work from, I seen you when you was there and where you come to now, bro. And I just want to let you know, this ain't about no money, this ain't about no clout, this ain't about no fame. It's just, I grew up with brown people my whole life, bro. My homies, I play hide and seek with brown people, bro. So like I said, it's bigger, and the fact that y'all able to come like this, it ain't about what happened.
So basically, you know,
come like this, it ain't about what happened in your hood, it ain't about what happened in your hood, bro. It's what's happening now, bro. And us seeing these familiar faces in the crowd, shaking, hearts beating right now, bro. Love us while we here, bro, is all we saying, bro.
Absolutely.
Love us while we here, bro.
I did what I did, like, for the right cause. Like, I didn't do it for no clout, I didn't do it to discipline my homies, I didn't do it. I just felt like I did what's right. Like, you feel me? What needed to be done was done. So it ain't about no clout chasing, it ain't about no internet flexing, it ain't about no views or none of that. Like, the bigger picture is like, you feel me? Niggas fucked up.
And if I felt it was any way like that, we wouldn't be standing here with you.
Absolutely.
I can feel it. I can feel it was real. You didn't push it. You didn't know it was going to do this.
Absolutely, I didn't. That shit caught me by surprise. Yeah.
Nah, I just want to say I appreciate you. I appreciate you as well.
We appreciate you.
Appreciate you for the time. Nah, everything, you know.
Come like this, it ain't about